Hello guys! In this video I'll take a look at an important thing with you, which is loyalty. It's about points the customer collected when they do some actions to the store. Then they will get a discount based on their point to the store. So let me open the code to start showing you how it works. To make sure the loyalty is allowed in your store, go to the dashboard in your store, scroll down to the store settings. Here in نظام الولاء or loyalty, go to subscribe and install it in your dashboard. Enable it and fill the information. After filling the information, you will be allowed to use the loyalty program. I'm gonna add the block for the content because I want to change the content for the layout. Content. Don't forget to end the block. End block. And let me add the title of the loyalty name under the H1. Loyalty.name and the description for the loyalty. In the paragraph, loyalty dot description. Refresh. Okay, that's good. After that, to show the information about the loyalty point for the logged in user, I want to check if the user is logged in. If user.type equal to user, and F under the F. Here I want to tell him the number of point that he get. You have get number of, then the number of points, then string number of point string. Okay, so let me see, maybe the number 0. It's all about string right now. It's just an example right now. Refresh. Okay, as you can see, it's like this. I'm gonna translate these two strings in these two files. So I'm not gonna type it like this. I have already explained in a previous video how to translate a string in many languages. So check it out to understand how I did that. Okay, and paste it here. Change you have to points. Okay, for the number of points, to get the number of points here, type data count equal user dot loyalty points. Okay, copy the loyalty points and add it in the span to show up the loyalty points. Refresh. I already have 0 points, so it's not gonna show up here. The last thing to do is showing the ways to get the points under the last div here. Under the div here, I'm gonna type just the title is about the ways to get the loyal point. It's an H2 under page.loyalty program did ways to get points. To bring ways to get the points, I'm gonna for loop on these list of the loyalty ways. So for point in loyalty did point into the for and 4. I want to add here the point icon. So point dot icon. If there is no point icon, add the default point icon, icon star. Here in this specific point, there is many points. In this specific points, show how many points the user get. Point.points. After that, I want to add a description about this point. So type point.description. To check if the user have this point or not, I want to check if the user is already logged in. I'm gonna add an if condition again. Okay. So if, don't forget to end the if. I'm gonna copy the previous one and paste it here. If user dot type equal to user. Okay, if it's completed, else. For the if point.key equal for, I have a specific point. I want to check if this point is completed, like completing the information. I want to check if the user is completing his information. So I'm gonna check on this point. So I'm gonna type complete personal information, and that personal information, their point is completed. Dot is completed. Okay. If it's completed, show the design. Otherwise, I want to add a button navigate to an action for doing that point, like completing the information if he didn't complete it. So I want to add a button to complete the information. So else, I will add a predefined component, which is Salla button. I have already used this component a lot in previous videos, so I'm gonna use it here again. It helps a lot because it's do a lot of actions. Save and the href for navigating to the specific point. Point.name for the point. Okay, save, and here the point name. Point.name and save. And I guess we are done. Fresh. Okay, this is it for the loyalty. I have 0 points because I haven't completed any information. If I clicked on any of these buttons, I will navigate to completing the information or ordering from the store. As always, there's a lot in the documentation. You'll find it in the description box down below. This is it for the loyalty. Thank you. See you next.